Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to transfer contact from iPhone to Android. So if you want to switch from iPhone to an Android, here is the best method to transfer your contact. So the first you have to do is to sync your contact on iPhone with Google, and on your iPhone go to the settings, then scroll down and tap on contact, then select add account, then click on Google, then sign in with your Google account, then turn on account contact sync and wait for syncing to complete. Then sync contact on Android. On your Android phone, go to the settings, then tap account and backup, then click Google, then sign in with your with the same account used on iPhone, then toggle the sync contact on, then open the contact app to use your transferred contact, and that is the best way to transfer contact from iPhone to Android. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.